Makia Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka horaire igikaro yogosegeta basae na boiga basubati hoyasoanania ase siasa
igikaro ekio kia matuko abere nigo kia barentamo abasae korwa ase byama bya gisiasa meyense na nigo kegocha gukwanera emechando ebwateraneti abasubati na boiga basae chinga kibare ase oborai. Kalonzo boigo nigatebire chinga kichekira abasae na boigo abasubati kurwanirira ebirugo emeyense elinde korenta amaonchererio ase oborai bwabono.
My only submission is let there be a blanket admission by this administration that they wrongfully detained, they wrongfully maimed, they destroyed people's property and blamed it on other wrong people, that there must be a blanket apology to the Kenyan nation. That would be something. It is not possible in a democracy to deny people the right to speak, the right to go to church. Even in churches, some of us are in church, they throw tear gas in the church. They beat you up.
From here, the youths are being encouraged so that they can be in a position to take the national ID, register as voters, because we want the youth to participate in the 2027 national elections and also vote the leaders of their choices. Out of this also, we've come out on ways of which we are also criticizing the government based on some of the activities which are being done and not skewed towards the youth. We want the youth out of this to be realized in terms of the representation and also gender balance as per our constitution 2010. And also out of this, the leaders are also being urged that they implement the constitution of Kenya that they were sworn the time they were assuming these offices. So going forward, from here, we'll be traveling in different parts of the country to offer the civic education to the youths so that they register as voters. Apart from registering as voters, also take part in the 2027 general election and also these by-elections which are yet to come. Because once they elect these leaders, they are going to be offered them representation, legislation, because they are also going to be part and parcel of the laws which are being made. You know that Wiper Party has been rebranded into Wiper Patriotic Front, whereby the party leaders, he has been advocating for the inclusivity of the youth in the decision-making of this government. Secondly, is one of the historical leaders that we've seen grow from a youth. He was elected as an MP when he was a youth. He has served in different positions, ministerial positions, and when he was a youth. And also he was encouraging that if he started it as a youth,